Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the roller assembly in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new roller assembly. There are two identical rollers used in this refrigerator. They are mounted on the sides of the pantry drawer. They allow the pantry drawer to slide easily back and forth. If the pantry drawer starts jamming, check and replace the rollers. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. We need to pull out the pantry drawer and lift up and remove. So this is the pantry drawer, and there are a couple of rollers which are installed on the pantry drawer. So I'm going to show you how to replace one of them. So I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to unscrew that roller. This is the old roller assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So the new roller just simply screw in. I'm going to use the same Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to screw in the roller assembly. If you need to replace the opposite side roller assembly, it will be done exactly the same way. You can use the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew it, and install a new one. All right, I'm going to install this pantry drawer. And push it in. And now when we're done, we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.